xa ikhona into eqhumayo eDubai kuthiwa isukile akusaphileki akusaphefumleki andithanga ncama jithi ungena ku-intanethi ndifike ndikhwaze batsho mamela isukile inamba ngoku izanosithatha nye mari ngoku ndizayenzela ntoni we.
Unfortunately, angikhoni laphana ukuyidlala yonke ke video, but what I can say is laphana ke this person is one of the people, one of the many people who are currently stuck in Dubai from laphana ke South Africa. He's given update to where he's currently at. There is nothing going on, but if there's anything that should happen to them, he sees no point of going into social media and making comments or seeking for help from South Africa, as he knows that would be pointless, as South Africa is very far from Dubai, and if he has to die where he is, then so be it. It's pointless to scream for help on social media, as where he is and he's safe. Yeah, but these people who are, or whatever is happening in Dubai, it is not just ruthless attacks. Attack are based on ukuthi USA knows ukuthi benzani noma bafuna uku-attacka in yabo, but ke where he is, he's safe. There's no need for people to start panicking. Everyone should keep calm. It is not how it is portrayed ukuthi mhlasimpe kuyaliwa or into kanjalo, but nje engakusho yena ukuthi no, labantu abahlesela bayazi bahlesela ini and for what reason, not ukuthi bavele nje badedela emabhomu ukuhlasela noma ikuphi, but nje they were sure ukuthi ngoba behlasela la angeke kufe abantu yabo. But ke iwona ama latest updates from laphana ke abantu balaphana ke eNingizimu Afrika khona laphana ke Dubai.